Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best camping gear and gadgets that you can buy today. Whether you're a first-time camper or a seasoned outdoor veteran, choosing the best camping gear for your trip can be the difference between a memorable or miserable time. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camping gear and gadgets. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best camping gear and gadgets, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The seventh product on our list is the First Aid Kit. Undoubtedly one of the camping must-haves. You should never go on a camping trip without a medical first aid kit on hand. There are plenty of effective portable medic kits on the market. With a smaller size kit, you'll be able to pack it away in your backpack. That way, if you or anyone from your party suffers cuts, falls, or bites, you'll have the equipment on hand to tend to their issues before returning to camp. Don't take chances when you're out in the wild. First aid is even more important when you're away from built-up areas. This is for sure a piece of must-have camping gear. In at number 6 is the camping chair. Portable camping chairs are high on the list of camping gear essentials for most seasoned campers. After a fun day of hiking or activities, you want to be able to sit back and relax on something far more comfortable than the floor or a mat. Utilizing a great portable design that folds up with ease, the Coleman Portable Camping Chair is a great investment for any camping setup. The armrests also come equipped with 4 cooler pouches. Sink into the soft polyester and take a well-earned sip of your refreshing drink as you look out over the beauty of the woods. The fifth product on our list is the Airbed. While both tent decking and sleeping bags can be comfortable, often our backs and hips need more support than they can provide. Supporting your back is critical. An inflatable sleeping pad will give you that extra support your lumbar region, spine, and neck need. Because inflatable sleeping pads inflate and deflate, they pack down perfectly for your backpack. The Intex Prestige Downy Airbed Kit is a worthy choice. In at number 4 is the down sleeping bag. We all know that a sleeping bag is an essential piece of camping gear, but with so many variables in the wild, you need something that can adapt. All-season sleeping bags are perfect if you're planning to go camping all year round and don't want to invest in weather-specific gear. These sleeping bags utilize materials that can stabilize the temperature. So if it's really hot, they'll block out the heat. If it's bitterly cold, they'll trap the heat in. In our opinion, the Zubelieve sleeping bag is a great choice for all year-round camping. For frequent campers, it's the ultimate camping gear choice. Its double-filtered polyester and cotton combination is soothingly soft and helps you sleep peacefully within a 35 to 50 degree Fahrenheit range. The third product on our list is the water purification system. If you're camping for a couple of days, you should have no problem bringing enough water. But for longer, you may need to find a water source. We all know the critical importance of having enough water, but drinking rainwater or fresh water from a non-filtered source is often very risky. A water filter or purifier is one of those must-have camping gadgets if this is the case. These devices come in various forms, from pumps to straws. If you're camping with a group, a gravity water filter is an excellent choice. This will allow you to filter gallons of water for all of your party. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the BioLite Campstove. If your camping trip is for more than a day, the likelihood is you're going to need to cook. Thus, a camp stove is a top camping gear essential. Portability is the name of the game. A stove that's easy to move around and set up is going to give you more options the further you move from your base. Think about the fuel you intend to use. Some stoves are better with fire and wood, and others are purely gas-operated. The BioLite Campstove turns your burning fire into electricity. For an effective and portable camp stove, it's truly a piece of innovative camping gear. The best camping gear and gadget is the cabin tent with instant setup. Instant cabin tents are an essential piece of camping gear. The time they save you in setting up is truly remarkable. Cabin tents come with their poles pre-attached. This means you can unpack and assemble them within a matter of minutes. This way, you can start enjoying the great outdoors and fun activities within minutes of arriving. All you have to do is find a good spot to camp. The Coleman Instant Cabin Tent sleeps up to 10 people. It's durable, comfortable, and its seals are reinforced to prevent rain from leaking through. With so much space and 2 rooms to occupy, you can enjoy a wonderful trip into the wilderness with 2 or 3 people or a large group or family. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.